In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Workspace in DaVinci Resolve. If your DaVinci Resolve layout looks different than usual, or panels have been moved, hidden, or resized in a way that makes editing harder, resetting the workspace is a quick and simple fix. This can be especially helpful if you accidentally change the interface and want to get back to the default layout without spending time manually rearranging everything. To begin, look at the very top of the DaVinci Resolve window, where you'll see the main menu bar. This is where many of the software's display and layout options are located. Take a moment to find the Workspace menu. It's designed to control how your editing interface is arranged, so this is the section you'll want whenever you need to adjust or restore the layout. Once you click on Workspace, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to panels, window arrangement, and interface settings. From that list, find the option called Reset UI Layout. This is the command that returns the visible interface back to its default arrangement. Go ahead and click Reset UI Layout. As soon as you do, DaVinci Resolve will restore the workspace to its original layout. That means if certain panels were moved to unusual positions, closed by mistake, or resized in a way that made the screen feel cluttered, everything should return to the standard setup automatically. This is one of the easiest ways to troubleshoot a messy or confusing interface, especially if you're following a tutorial and your screen no longer matches what you're supposed to see. It's also useful if multiple people use the same computer and someone changed the layout before you open the program, and that's it. To reset your workspace in DaVinci Resolve, simply go to the top menu, click Workspace, and then choose Reset UI Layout. If you're still having trouble after resetting, make sure you're working inside the correct page of DaVinci Resolve, since the Cut, Edit, Color, and Fairlight pages can all look a little different by design. But for restoring the general panel layout, this quick reset option is usually all you need. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to reset Workspace in DaVinci Resolve.